Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So here is our e-learning app, and previously we have actually worked on this section, and we have seen that we will have an app like this for the users, and where they can buy a course, and then they can of course talk with the course author, and they can do go chat like this, okay, which means that they'll be able to initiate a chat. So now this is for common users, like they view the app, so of course they have to log in, register, and do everything. And this has been done with BLoC. And now, since this is for users, and users are able to buy courses, so they need to be able to chat with the teachers. So from here they start or initiate the chat with the teacher. Now this is the teachers app. So over here I'm going to log in, and the teachers app itself has also been done with BLoC, so the same state management package or library that we have used for this one. All right, so this is the teachers panel. All right, so here I'm gonna send messages to the teacher by saying that thanks for the great course. All right, so you can send a message, and over here on teacher side, teacher would be able to see the user's name, and whoever is this user has sent a message, they would be able to view that, the teacher himself. And then here we'll also see that blue dot, which means there is a message, and here we also see the timeline, and of course there is timeline everywhere, as you can see. Now of course from here I would be able to view all the messages, and then I can as a teacher I would be able to reply everyone. So over here I can reply the teacher, well, not reply the teacher, reply this user by saying that yes, it's a great one and more to come, like this. And on the teacher side we'll see that, sorry, on the user side we'll see that user receives this immediately, and one more time we can go back and we'll see like that, thanks for it. So the teacher will say it, and here we go, and it would say welcome. Now the teacher himself over here, teachers panel, so teacher would be able to receive all the users messages. So now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as a different teacher. So let me go ahead and log out from here, well, as a different user, actually not a different teacher. So this time the user is different. So this is my other email account, which I have already signed up, so I can just directly go ahead and log in, and we'll see. Okay, well, it did say that, okay, go ahead and verify. So well, I was doing this before, so I didn't verify the email, so I could try a new email to sign up from here. All right, and which I would do right away. So here I'm going to use my regular name, Flutter Lover, and then I'm going to say my email is this one. And then I'm going to type in my password like this. That okay? So we need to activate it. So I'm going to go activate, and let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on this because I have received it on my mobile phone as an email, and we are almost there. Just a moment, because right now I'm on my mobile phone. Okay, well, it says that verification is done. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to use my email to log in. All right, and password I think same as early. So let's go ahead and log in. So of course username was Flutter Lover, like this is the one that I have used as a username. Now I could come over here and I would be able to start talking with him, and we already see that as I clicked in, actually kind of Firebase message list has been triggered for this certain user. Now I can send message from here. I can say hello there, and we'll see that the message is ready immediately. All right, of course, yeah, there are a lot more to optimize about the profile photo, but that's actually easy to do. So this user and this teacher, well, we don't have much of chatting, so that's why pretty much everything is empty. All right, how are you doing? And how can I help you? Let's say this. All right, great. So yeah, so this is a smooth chat between this admin, which is a teacher, and a common user, whoever is using this app. So all has been done using BLoC. So now this course has been uploaded on Udemy. So feel free to take it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.